Welcome to Clean Car Wash, the premier cleaning business located in Season, near Jalen School. At Clean Car Wash, we offer a wide range of services to meet all of your cleaning needs. Our car cleaning service will leave your vehicle sparkling and refreshed. We use only the highest quality cleaning products and equipment to ensure that your car is thoroughly cleaned and protected. In addition to car cleaning, we also offer laundry services. Our team of experienced professionals will handle all of your laundry needs, from washing and drying to folding and ironing. We also offer carpet cleaning services to keep your home or office looking fresh and clean. Our advanced cleaning techniques and equipment will remove dirt, stains, and odors from your carpets, leaving them looking and smelling like new. For more information about our services or to schedule a cleaning service, contact us through 07875800916. We look forward to serving you and helping you keep your home or business clean and refreshed.